Gather around, children. I have a closet full of clothes, but I have nothing to wear. So what am I going to do? I'm going to take all of my clothes out, try everything on to see whether or not I'm going to keep it or if I'm gonna toss it. Since baby girl is out for her walk, this is the only opportunity I'll have to do this. So I pray that I can go through everything in an hour. Pray for me, y'all. I got a big bag of clothes here. This space saver is finna die. Do you see this hole at the bottom? I need to purge some stuff. Just FYI, one side is for me. The other side is for Mr. Man. I'm not even gonna touch that side. He's got more clothes than me, child. We're not even gonna go there right now because I only have an hour. This is tops. Junk. Tops. Jacket. What? Yo, I've been looking for this wig. Reformation jeans. These may fit. Knee pads. That'll go in miscellaneous. All of my shirts are here. These are all dresses. I'm just putting them on the floor at this point. This is another space saver. This stuff should go under the bed. By the way, anything that I don't want in this pile, I will be selling on Poshmark. I'll leave my Poshmark linked down below. But without further ado, let's get started with the tops. I haven't worn this sweater since I left Brooklyn. I love it though. I love the color and it goes perfectly with my PJs. All right, this is for the winter time, so I'm gonna keep it. Yes, I'm gonna keep it. I love a good orange. This is perfect with my skin tone. I will definitely be keeping this one. I'm keeping. Even though this feels a little snug, I typically don't wear my cardigans closed up. I just don't have anything underneath. So y'all, I'm keeping it. I'm thinking I shouldn't have tried on my sweaters and things, being that we are moving into spring, summer. But Lord child, you just gonna get what I'm gonna give you, yo, okay? I like the sweater, I'm keeping it. Besides, I don't have a lot of sweaters and it's cold in the Northeast. This sweater I got recently. I had to do a campaign for this clothing company and I really do like it. I love the pattern, the vibes. It's cute, so we're keeping it. I am contemplating keeping or tossing this. I know I just recently bought this, but I don't know, man. I don't know. I mean, it's cute, but it's just like it's kind of tight. Not only am I keeping this, I'm also keeping the skirt that it came with. The quality, so many different uses out of the top and the skirt separately. It's made from linen, and you know linen is high vibrational. I'll post a photo of the outfit on. You can wear it like this or you can wear the buttons in the back, but either way, this is gonna stay with me forever. I am unsure about this Veta matching set. I like the skirt, but I don't really like the top. I think I'm gonna keep the skirt and get rid of the top. I think that's okay. Or maybe I should wear the top reversed. I have to table this. I didn't realize how many tops I have. It's a lot. It's a lot for me. I'm tossing this one. I love this top. It's just so tight on me now. I'm gonna toss it. I mean, it's a Biggie shirt. It's a Brooklyn thing. We just gonna keep it. This is a good shirt to have just when I'm lounging around the house. I like it a lot, so I'm gonna keep it. And as a matter of fact, the next couple of tops, I'm just gonna go quickly with those and letting you know whether I'm keeping or tossing. So let's get into that. This top is giving Basquiat inspired. I love it so much. It's very wrinkled though. Trying on those shirts felt like it took forever. Let's try on the bottoms now. These fit a little snug. I won't lie to you. I was sucking it in. I'm gonna toss it. I think this skirt is really cute, but I'm gonna toss it. I must confess that my loneliness is killing me now. Don't you know I still believe that you will be here and give me a sign. Hit me, baby, one more time. We tossing it. This skirt is so posh. It's so cute, and it's originally from Express. I'm gonna toss it. This is actually a thrifted piece, and I love it. It feels so good. It's perfect for the fall. This would be great for my fall capsule wardrobe. I'm gonna keep it. This is one of my favorite thrifted finds. Definitely keeping. I'm not really sure how to wear this wrap skirt, but it's cute, and it came with a top. I don't like the sleeves. They're very short. I'm gonna toss it. I thrifted this years ago, but it's so tight now. It's just uncomfortable. Definitely tossing it. I'm gonna go through the rest of my bottoms and try to decipher whether I'm keeping or tossing. So let's go. These are short, but they're not tight, and I feel comfortable in them, so I'm gonna keep it. Last but certainly not least, we have dresses, ladies and gentlemen. This is going to be fun. Let's go hard. Y'all, this is a matching set. I love this so much. And it's also reversible. You can either wear the gorgeous golden brown side, or you can rock the black side underneath with either this dotted midi skirt or a solid golden brown on the other side. I love it. Sophistication. This Farm Rio dress is absolutely stunning, but I need to part ways with this. This would be perfect for everyone and anyone. It's a gorgeous wrap dress. A part of me wants to toss this dress, but I paid so much for it that I don't feel comfortable doing that just yet. Goodness gracious. If I still had the belt, I would probably still keep this, but I'm tossing it. As much as I do love it, actually, you know what? I'm gonna keep. Wow, I don't know what was worse, putting clothes on or taking them off. I am spent. I hope you enjoyed this video. Now it is my task to put everything back. That should be fun. If you want to see some thrift store videos, check me out right here. If you want to see what I got at the Glastonbury Goodwill, and if you want to see what I got at Westport Goodwill, check me out right here. But that is all for today's video. I want to thank you all so much for watching and supporting and subscribing to my channel, and I will see you all in the next one. Peace, girl.